Hi guys, it's me again, RJ, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do another reaction video to PewDiePie video since you guys been asking me to do another reaction to his video. For today, the title is the most annoying sound in the world. I haven't watched it, so this is the first time I'm gonna watch it. I've been doing a reaction video, like I did not watch it first. I'm going through it through YouTube. So let's do this, guy. Let's watch this with me. But before that, don't forget to go and subscribe to my channel so you guys can follow my vlog, follow my travel, follow my reaction videos. So just go scroll down a little bit and click the subscribe button. So let's watch this video.
Hey, how's it going, bros? My name is pewdiepie. I moved office again, as you can see, for another time. I'm in this
really
new
like
space. It's
his
pretty
background,
cool. It's
actually.
my own space. It's definitely my place. You picked the wrong house. This is mine.
What's that? Oh,
It's by itself.
I forgot his name, but
I knew you were insane. I knew you were one of those people with We're gonna do 5 weird stuff online with Jack Spadaxing. Item number 1.
I really have a very hard time to like pronounce his name. So sorry, so I'm gonna call him Jack only.
Okay, let's start with something lame, but I kind of want to try it out.
Sorry, PewDiePie, your face is going to be hurt because I'm gonna put my video like straight in his
Yeah, I
face.
feel like the scale is not perspective.
Oh, where's that?
So this is an bazooka. Oh, this seems like too much effort to put together.
No, it looks cool. What the fuck is all this? Looks like something that fucking Mega Man used.
It does, yeah.
By the way, watch Jack t-shirt. It look cool
Are you
though.
ready to get air suit?
My mom not gonna let me watch something like weigh something like that. It's
Bazooka. Are you ready to get air suit, bruh?
No, you have to pull like
Wow.
this.
I know that. Oh shit. Okay, I get it. How close?
I don't know.
You scared now, Vaughn? You were making fun
I
of
should
it
do
before?
that with my
I can
knees.
see your stupid face through here as well.
Oh,
Oh my god.
it was like, yeah,
Oh,
it's like
shit. Bazooka!
straight in your face. Oh my gosh.
Okay, hit me, bro. Hit me. I'm ready, boy. I'm ready. You blink, you lose.
Oh my god. He broke it.
This thing fucking sucks.
Oh my gosh.
Ah! There's oh, thank God there was cover here. Did you break it for real?
No, oh yeah.
The oh gosh.
Of course we can. Oh, dude. Jesus.
It's the sound as well.
Yeah, it kind of scares you. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Yeah!
Oh.
How do I
PewDiePie
look
looks so gross.
So fucking weird.
Oh my gosh.
Look close to the camera.
I can't see anything.
Wait, too close, too close, too
Oh my god, this is
I can't even
so
see
big.
myself through the. Oh my
Cute.
God! Your outfit?
Really nice.
Very nice.
Very nice, very flowy.
Very nice. I like it. Yakshin mask.
Oh, just.
When you took it on, I was remembering when I was 5 at kindergarten, I played Peter Pan.
Oh.
Yeah? And I had exactly that outfit, but it was borrowed. So I was like, well, it's not mine, so should I remove my underwear?
What?
No, I was like, it's kind of gross.
That's more
Weird.
gross.
I didn't think I was a kid, okay? So I went naked out on stage with it.
With like this?
Yes!
Oh, bold move.
Hell yeah! Alright, let's see what we have here.
Oh, I think I saw something in there. I'm excited.
I wish can do something like that with my friend.
Don't
What?
you worry, Jack Spadaxing Pie. I got the Robo Twist.
Oh my
God!
Take this like funny.
I'm
Oh
excited for this one.
Yeah.
When he was like a drone that like flew down onto it, then you could twist.
There will be no effort
If
whatsoever.
only we had another Robo Twist to get the box open.
Alright, you ready?
It's super easy to open actually. Why do
Calm
we
down,
need
Robo
that
Twig.
kind of
Twisting,
stuff?
Robo Twig. There's no stop.
Fucking machine.
I
Can't trust him.
All right. Ah!
It's funny when they scream. They're just like a girl like screaming.
Yeah.
Like-
Oh. Yeah.
Robo
It's like
Twist.
Robo
I didn't say it's only girl can scream like that, but
Robo Twig. Robo
it's
Twig.
describe
Robo
because girl
Twist.
always do that. we like to scream. See, they're screaming again.
It's not stopping.
It just wants to keep
It
on
just wants to
twisting.
keep on doing it.
This is gonna crush it.
PewDiePie. Why did you do that?
Amazing. What could possibly beat that item?
What beats Robo Twist?
I've been wanting to use these for a long time. Since we have matching outfits and all,
Yes!
we get matching automatons.
That's what I
Nice
saw in
good.
the box, and I'm so fucking happy. Except we might need batteries for this
We got batteries with these as well?
Yeah.
Oh.
Fuck. Jackson. I can play myself.
Why?
No.
Jesus Christ.
So what's more annoying than two loud-ass YouTubers?
My gosh, it's cool. I like it. It's so creepy.
It's like I'm looking into an audio mirror.
Oh my god, stop!
Oh.
Jesus Christ. We have to play something together.
Wait.
Whoa! That was jamming.
There was a Zelda thing I learned. What the fuck is that?
Ah! Do it again.
Aren't you Sweden's #1 orchestra player?
That I am, thank you.
They're so fucking cute though.
I cannot live with that sound. I really hate it actually. Ah. Oh gosh.
What could possibly be better? Oh shit, I realized I have fucking wings and shit. Jack, do you
Gotcha.
like reading?
No.
Well, I have something for you.
Whoa, the lazy readers.
The lazy readers.
What the fuck are the lazy readers? Are they mirror glasses?
They are mirror glasses, boy. They match your outfit.
Oh my god, that's so weird. I'm like walking and looking at my own feet. Hey, what up? I see.
Oh.
Wait, I'm
The
gonna
people
show
who
you.
create this is so creative. Oh
You see
gosh.
me, boy? I don't know if you can see because
Nice.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Those are so weird.
Whoa!
And they're
It's
so,
like I'm playing a video game.
they're so clear as well.
I see my knob as well. That's great. Oh, hell yeah. I get it.
Yeah.
I get it. This is awesome. Wait, where are you?
Oh my god.
This one I bought. It had bad reviews. Stop doing that. It's so fucking creepy. Oh shit. Whoa.
Ooh.
Whoa.
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 Hell. You
Whoa,
wings
it's
awesome.
cool. Look cool.
That's really fucking cool.
Wow.
Alright, pass it along. You ready for the pass along?
Now we're just holding that.
You ready for the pass along?
Oh.
Back at it again!
We do like that.
The last item. The last item, Jack.
Are you ready? Love this. Totally life-changing bra.
Life-changing bra. Well, we're just gonna have to see about that.
I hope it's not
This
the
is
thing
an
that
actual
I.
bra.
Yeah, I don't know what your size. I went with A cut.
Yeah, that's probably
Seriously? Oh my god. Need to blur it. What the heck, man?
Yeah. Well, this just.
I guess they're going to give it to Margia after this.
2017.
Oh.
Like a
Oh
lion girl or
my
something.
god.
These are my coconuts.
Alright, well that was
This is YouTube 2017. Loud noises and nudity.
leave a like and check out Jack for some reason if you haven't. And as always, Sister Fister.
Broffies! Yay!
What does it sound like when 1,000 Jacksepticeyes get together?
It's like
It's True Sandstorm.
Surely we can figure out how to play. Oh, that was the right tune.
Yeah.
So that's it, the video, guys. Super funny as usual. PewDiePie always kill it. And I'm gonna see you guys in another next video. So don't forget to go scroll down, click the subscribe button, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy watching this video with me. So I'll see you guys around.